In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a WordPress website, chart blog, and start over. First, open your preferred browser. To delete your website, you need to log in to your hosting provider's panel. In this example, the hosting provider is Hostinger. After logging into your hosting panel, navigate to the section of the website by left-clicking the Websites option in the top navigation bar. On this page, you will see all your websites. Simply left-click the Manage button on the website you want to delete. On the next page, go to the Files section in the left navigation bar. Then left-click File Manager from the options below. Here, you need to left-click the first option. A new window will open. Open the Public folder. In this folder, select all files and delete them. After that, close this window and go back to the 8 panel. Here, go to Databases in the left navigation bar and then left-click Management. Here, you will find your databases. Simply left-click the 3 dots on the right side of the database and click Delete. Your website has been deleted. Now to reinstall WordPress, go to the panel, then in the left navigation bar, go to Websites, then Auto Installer. Here, select WordPress by left-clicking on it. Follow the instructions and your website will be up and running again.